I want to start in the world of semiconductors.
Naturally.
Yes. 2 episodes ago, we did a deep dive on the chip war between China and the US that's currently happening. Brief context here. Basically, the US and China both see chips as really the crucial technology of the future in terms of military and even more importantly, probably in terms of AI, as maybe an economic juggernaut. So all eyes are on chips. The US has implemented a lot of export restrictions on its essential chip making technology so that China can't access it. And just recently, there was another Western country that implemented export controls, and that country was the Netherlands.
Which, if you've watched that deep dive, you know exactly where this is going.
Yes. So the Netherlands has one company called ASML that makes the the ultraviolet lithography machines that are needed to make these microscopic semiconductors.
So the order of magnitude on how you measure how good a chip is how many nanometers of space is in between each transistor. And you are unable to get the 2 nanometers in between each transistor if you are unable to get it if you don't have this type of machine. So this machine is, highly sought after in China. They want this machine in their country, but right now, Netherlands is fighting to keep it out.
Exactly. Netherlands just implemented these export controls, and this is so huge because ASML is a complete monopoly. We talked about this in the deep dive. They can't get these anywhere else. So this is just another massive blow after the massive blow that China took from U.S. export controls that happened in October of last year.
Exactly. And China recently submitted a patent for an ultraviolet lithography machine that was going to be capable of creating microchips on the 7 nanometer level in between spaces. That doesn't mean they can build it yet. It doesn't even know if they can work, but they've submitted a patent with at least the blueprint design to get the 7 nanometer level. But the difference between 7 nanometers and 2 nanometers is immense. And that is making the difference. That's how far behind China is currently. They're worried about 7 nanometers, and the West has 2 figured out, planning on trying to break it down to 1.
Yeah.